Okay. How about your health? Here you are. You're trying to get this long-term care insurance. Will your health affect the long-term care insurance?
Yes. They look at basically long-term care underwriting is a little bit different than underwriting, say, for other products. We look at what's called stability of condition. In other words, you may have had a cancer 4 or 5 years ago, but you were the fortunate one where they cured the cancer and we have better success rates now. And you've been stable for a period of time where you've recovered, you've had no problems for a period of time, or we call it stability period, then we would still look at underwriting. We wouldn't even consider that. But we do look at stability of condition, but there are 2 conditions that's probably the toughest conditions to underwrite. One is insulin-dependent diabetics, and of course the other thing with anything to do with memory loss would not be underwritable. The other things we look at, and this is where the older generation we look at, if someone is already in a condition of needing care, they have dementia, they have Parkinson's disease, they have any of the autoimmune disorders like MS or myasthenia gravis, those type of issues, or scleroderma, they have those type of diseases, we call them knockdown, or using a cane or needing care, then of course we cannot write that. That's something we can't do.
Yeah. So those are pre-existing conditions.
Right.
That's not.
And when they underwrite them, we do 2 things. One is most carriers today are what's called a telephone interview, where they call up and discuss your application with the client and some other issues. The other one is most of them will do what's called an attending physician statement, where they will order the doctor's records. And that's pretty much it. Unless you're over a certain age, 65 to 70, depends on the carrier, where they will actually require an actual face-to-face assessment, where they have to go out with them to have this face-to-face assessment on an individual basis. You can't have your cousin or your brother next door, sitting by you and answering for you. No, you have to be one-on-one on that to do that. Now, there's some, if you go through the business market and you do multi-life cases in businesses, there are some, depends on the carrier, what they call modified guaranteed issue plans, where they look at those what I call knockdown questions. You're currently needing care, you're using a cane, otherwise uninsurable. If you answer no to all those, it's pretty much they could issue the plans. But underwriting is basically stability of condition, and like I say, telephone interview and an APS is pretty much all we do.
Pretty much.